So I have a 2008 Ford Ranger with a 2.3 liter. It's not filling up with gas, and what I say is you put the pump in, you press it, and it'll stop, and it takes forever to fill up. The common problem with these Fords is the purge valve. I'm going to go ahead and replace the purge valve. The part on that is 911673. And it's located right here. It's going to be a little dark. We'll do our best to film it. There's a clip. You just simply push on the clip and it'll come out. It's a little tight there for some reason. And it just simply comes out like that. You're going to push on the top clip. You're going to remove, just by pushing down on this little clip, you're going to remove the wire. Hopefully I won't shock myself. It's hard. This thing's old, so it don't want to come out easy. Okay. And then on the two, there's a gray clip right there, and you push down on it to release the hoses. So push towards it and back, and it should release. There's two, one on each side. Yep, it does. And it should be the same with this one here. Push the two gray in, push forward and back. Well, this one here, not going so easy. So you can see these gray things there is one on each side. You can just simply push it in and out, and this one's not wanting to remove. Jeez. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. You can see it looks identical, and they have different size. The big hose will go on the bottom, one small one on the top. And I believe the big hose is the one on the bottom, or the one going to the tank, so it's this one. So I'm going to put the top one in first because it's easier that way. And you can hear it click there. That means it's in. And then I'm going to slide this one because this is awful tight. I'm going to go ahead and put this thing back on the rail there, that it just slides in, before I tried connecting the bottom one because it was real tight coming out. Simply push it in and simply slide. Oh man, that thing's tight. The back one in. It was really leaking gas. And oh, okay, now it's hooked in. And give them a tug to make sure my hand's stuck, even better. And then reconnect the top connector here. Make sure this is in nice and good with the clip. Yep, we're good to go, and that's all there is to it. Replacing a purge valve on a 2.3 liter. These instructions would work from 05 to 2011. Thanks.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.